Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the network status of your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to become particularly useful for individuals who are wondering if their Samsung Smart TV is connected to the internet or not. How do you actually go ahead and do this? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, you want to grab your Samsung Smart TV remote, and then you want to click on this home button right over here. So once you click on this home button, you want to scroll all the way to the left to where it says Settings. And then under Settings, you want to scroll down to where it says General. So click on General. And then next, you want to click on Network, which is this button right over here. Next, you want to click on Network Status. And then here is where you're going to see the network status of whether or not your TV is connected to the internet. So as you can see, there's a prompt here that says you are connected to the internet. If you have any problems using online services, please contact your internet service provider. But that is essentially, guys, how to check the network status of your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.